And with that, the first half of the 2026 season comes to an end. Good night.
Take my heart,